In this video, I'm going to show you how to build your own altitude angle finder, also called a sextant. Um, you're going to need a paper protractor. You're going to need a straw. You're going to need one washer, and you're going to need a length of string. It doesn't have to be that long, and all of this will be in the shop for you. Okay? So first thing you're going to do is tie the washer to the end of one end of the string. Okay, so form a loop, tuck it back through the loop, and then pull on both ends, and then do that again so it doesn't fall off. Okay, form a loop, push the end through one of the loops, back through the loop, back through the loop, and then pull on both ends, and now you have a square knot. Okay, then we're going to tape this part onto our protractor. Okay, see this cross here, right here? This is your inches scale. This is 3 inches. That circle right there is the pivot point. We want the string to pivot off that point. And the way to do it is to take a piece of tape, okay, and attach it to the other end of the string. But then I want that pivot point, I want that tape and the piece of the tape to be right on this line and right on that, and the string to be right on that circle. So when I do that, and then I can fold this over, fold this tape back over the side, okay? Now the string is going to be held, and you notice that it'll move directly on that point. I can move the string one way or the other. When it moves on that point, and it'll give you a really accurate reading here. Okay, so now we have that done. The next thing we need to do is our sighter. This is what we're going to sight our rockets with and other objects today. Okay, so piece of tape on both ends of the straw. Okay, again, you want to make this flat across this spot right here. Okay, so make another piece of tape on this end of the straw to attach it to to make it on that line at the base of our protractor. Oop, that wasn't very good. Let me fix that. Okay. Yeah, this one's good. So let me wrap this around on the back side. Okay, so that's firmly attached. And then I can move this one down, and this should be better attached. Yeah, there we go. You can adjust it. It won't matter that much, but it does need to be straight across the bottom of this protractor. Okay, all right, that's how to build it. Now, how to use it. So you hold it like this, okay, the string facing down. It doesn't matter which direction, just as long as you have one hand holding this. You hold your eye to the straw and you sight whatever you want to find the angle of. I'm looking up here at this corner of the window. I'm holding it like this. Now notice the string has gone down, so I'm going to grab it with my thumb. Okay, holding it, find it with my thumb, hold it. And now what I see is that it started at a 90 degrees, which is all the way down, and now it is at what, 59, 58, either of those are fine. Each one of these dashes is a 1 degree, so I can figure that at 50, I could call that 57 or 50, or 58 or 59. And then with that number, if I subtract that from 90, then I get what the angle is that we're going to need to figure out just how high that corner is. So that's how do you build an altitude reader. We're going to use these with your rockets. Before you finish this, okay, and after you play with it or practice with it, make sure you put your name on it, okay, so that when we take this out to the field, okay, you can find your finder, because all of this will be out on the field for you on the day we launch. All right. Thank you. Happy building.